Hello kids, how are you all? I hope you all are doing good. Children, as you all are aware that we were doing revision of your GK book, and in that row today we are going to do revision of your weather report. Now what do you mean by weather report? And how does the seasons are going to getting changed? So this weather report is very important in knowing the what kind of a season we have or what kind of a weather we have. So that is very important. Earlier, what is the importance of weather report? Now that I am going to tell you. Earlier, what happened, especially the areas which is in sea, near sea, whenever there is some hurricane or that is tsunamis or something like that, so they do not have any report regarding that it is going to be happen, and they were not prepared. Many of time it happens कि जो मछुआरे थे या फिर वो जो लोग जो those who have their houses near the sea and oceans, तो सी के पास, समुद्र के पास जो भी घर थे, they will get into that tsunami and all. तो वेदर रिपोर्ट इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. इफ़ यू आर गेटिंग न्यूज़पेपर एट योर होम, तो आप न्यूज़पेपर के फ्रंट पेज पे आप देखोगे, यू विल फाइंड इट आउट दैट वन दैट weather report is given in that. So that weather report is very important, and how you can identify that what kind of a weather you have. Let's say हमने weather report पढ़ ली, हमें पता है that today might be there will be rain, तो हम we will come out from our house अगर हमें बाहर जाना है, and we will prepare by reading that weather report. We will be prepared with umbrella, with gum boot or with raincoat or something. We are going to keep it with us. So this weather report is very important. And now the next question, how do we get this weather report? Whom is going to give that weather report? See, weather report is not given by any person. कोई आदमी नहीं ये बताता कि okay ये this will be happen. Now the satellites, different satellites which were sent in the space, which were sent in the area of earth, so there what happened that they will read it out what is supposed to happen over there, कि कैसा weather रहने वाला है for the next 24 hours and what all. So these satellites were sending the images, sending the pictures, sending the report from there only. और उसको जो इसके जो लोग those who were expert in reading that report, वो expert उसको read करके and then they are going to give that report in newspaper or news or on online news or web report, whatever. So ये weather report is very important regarding preparation of anything which is supposed to be happen later. अगर हमें पता है पहले से that flood is going to come, we will prepare for that flood. तो might be that the loss will be there, कि उससे कुछ नुकसान होगा, but that loss will be quite less. Loss जो होगा वो बहुत कम हो जाएगा as compared to that case कि when we are not knowing about कि कब आना है, बाढ़ आनी है, क्या होना है क्या नहीं होना है. So what we have to do कि हमें weather report के लिए we have to prepare for it. Weather report पढ़ के and we have to prepare for it. So now here children, you all are having your friend that is Noe identify the weather icons to help Noe understand the weekly weather report. Now Noe is not knowing by looking at these icons. Icons means they were using different symbols. Like अगर उनको ये बताना है the weather will be rainy, तो एक cloud बन जाएगा, उस पे से बारिश होती हुई दिखाई देगी. तो these icons we are going to use. आपने अगर मोबाइल में भी अगर आपने weather report कभी देखा हो, you will find it out कि वहाँ पे भी corner पे along with the temperature it is coming. So let's start. Monday को कैसा weather रहेगा? Now we are going to make weekly weather report for Nui. Fine. सो वीकली वेदर रिपोर्ट हम नोई के लिए बना रहे हैं एंड व्हाट काइंड ऑफ डिफरेंट वेदर दैट ऑल्सो वी विल सी. Now number one, it is very hot today as the sun is shining brightly. It is very hot today as the sun is shining brightly. Now it is dash today. It is shiny today. Fine. The sun is shining brightly, so it is sunny today. Fine. Sunny weather will be there. That sun is shining, so sunny weather is there. So for your help, you have been given with the help box also. You can see this help box and then you can choose your answer from there. So the first one is the sunny weather today. Now what do you mean by sunny weather? Sunny weather means when that sun is shining brightly, धूप निकली हुई होती है, खिली रहती है धूप. एंड इन दैट जब धूप निकलती है, अगर आपको याद हो समर्स में when it's very hot, it's too hot, बहुत गर्मी होती है. Because of that sun is shining brightly, sun चमकता रहता है आसमान में, and just because of that weather कैसा हो जाता है, बहुत ही गर्म. So that is your question number 1. Now come to question number 2. If you are going out, you should carry an umbrella or wear a raincoat. Now it is dash weather today. As I told you just now, अभी मैंने आपको बताया था if we have to show it that कि किस तरह का weather है, what kind of a weather is that, तो वो weather कैसे हम दिखाएंगे, with this cloud and rains are coming out from that, कि उसमें से बारिश ऐसे ऐसे गिर रही है. So that is what, that is आपका क्या हो गया, ये आपका rainy weather हो गया. So it is dash weather today, so the answer will be rainy weather today. Now we'll come to number 3. Ask your father to drive carefully. He might not be able to see vehicles clearly because of the weather. Now what kind of a weather we will be having that we won't be able to see और हम clearly नहीं देख पाते हैं. So that is foggy weather. Foggy weather is what kind of a weather? अगर अभी भी आप winters में when you woke up early in the morning, आप बाहर निकलो और if you will go in an open area जहाँ fields होते हैं, खेत वगैरह होते हैं ना, वहाँ पे क्या होता है, the temperature is too low. क्यों कम होता है? Because due to transpiration of leaves. अब वो क्या होता है, that I am going to tell you. Transpiration क्या होता है? ट्रांसपिरेशन होता है बच्चे जब डे टाइम होता है, तो डे टाइम में द ट्रीज आर प्रिपेयरिंग देयर फूड, प्लांट्स अपने फूड प्रिपेयर करते हैं बाय द प्रोसेस ऑफ फोटोसिंथेसिस. बट क्या होता है कि जब रात के टाइम में दे फाइंड इट आउट, ओह वी आर गेटिंग एन एक्सेस ऑफ वाटर, हमारे पास पानी बहुत ज़्यादा हो गया. तो व्हेन दे विल रेस्पायर एट नाइट, जब रेस्पायर करते हैं तो विद दैट दे आर गोइंग टू throw that excess water from their leaves. अब वो leaves से वो excess water को atmosphere में भी छोड़ देते हैं. अभी क्या होता है, वो droplets जो होते हैं that is there on that leaves only. और वो क्या होता है, जब ठंड होती है तो that water vapors which came out from that ना, वही क्या होता है, condense हो जाते हैं and they will form that foggy weather. तो अगर आप फील्ड्स में देखोगे तो आपको ऐसा धुएं जैसा दिखाई देगा, फॉगी काइंड ऑफ ए वेदर. तो दिस काइंड ऑफ ए वेदर विल बी देयर इन विंटर्स. सर्दियों में बहुत ज़्यादा होता है. और क्या होता है कि सर्दियों में ऐसा वेदर होता है एंड देन उसको हम एकदम सर्दियों में ऐसा वेदर होता है एंड मोस्टली इन ओपन एरिया. फाइन. आप सिटीज़ में उतना आपको नहीं मिलेगा, उतना आपको बिल्कुल भी, आई डोंट थिंक कि सिटीज़ में इतना ज़्यादा होता है या धुंध होती है या कुछ भी. सो दैट विल नॉट बी देयर. सो नाउ विल कम टू नेक्स्ट नंबर 4. इट इज़ डैश टुडे. एज यू कैन सी दिस cloud you can see. So cold today. So it is cold today. It is a good idea to wear a sweater, a pair of warm socks before going outside. So it is cold today. Cold मतलब ठंड है. अब देखो, because how would I know कि ठंड ही है? Because it is a good idea to wear a sweater. हम स्वेटर कब पहनते हैं? When we are feeling cold. A pair of warm socks हम कब लेते हैं, कब यूज़ करते हैं? जब हमें लगता है कि हाँ ठंड हो रही है. तो in that case we have, it is a cold weather, it is a good idea to wear a sweater and a pair of warm socks before going outside. बाहर जाने से पहले हम क्या कर सकते हैं? हम उसको, इट्स गुड आइडिया टू वियर अ स्वेटर एंड अ पेयर ऑफ वार्म सॉक्स, कि एक स्वेटर और एक वार्म सॉक्स हम पहन लें. सो व्हाट काइंड ऑफ ए वेदर? दैट इज कोल्ड वेदर. नाउ sometime you will get confused with weather and climate. Climate क्या होता है? जो एक climate यानी एक condition of weather जो 2-3 months के लिए या कुछ टाइम के लिए वो स्टेबल रहती है. दैट इज़ योर क्लाइमेट, जिसको हम समर, विंटर, रेनी, ऑटम, स्प्रिंग, दी सीजन, ये सीजन जो है दे आर फाइंडिंग द क्लाइमेट. क्लाइमेट मतलब वो पर्टिकुलर वहाँ पे कैसा क्लाइमेट रहता है. लेट्स से अगर आप सी शोर पे जाओ तो वहाँ पे कैसा क्लाइमेट रहता है. तो दैट इज अनदर थिंग. वेदर क्या हो गया? वेदर हो गया कि आपको जब स्पेसिफिकली एक सर्टेन दिन का आपको बताना है कि व्हाट काइंड ऑफ ए वेदर इज देयर टुडे, आज कैसा वेदर है. सो नाउ विल कम टू नंबर 5. होल्ड योर कैप टाइट और इट मे फ्लाई अवे इन दिस वेदर. आपको कैप को टाइटली पकड़ के रखना है और इट मे फ्लाई इन दिस वेदर. व्हाट काइंड ऑफ ए वेदर? किसमें हमारे कपड़े और सारा सामान उड़ जाता है? दैट इज विंडी वेदर. Windy weather that mostly happen with just because of too much heat also. बहुत ज़्यादा गर्मी हो जाती है. Then also we will be having this windy weather. So that you will remember that hold your cap tight or it may fly away in this windy weather. So children, let's revise this page once again. That is weather report. Weather report, that is identify the weather icons to help Noe understand the weekly weather report. Now here these symbols which you can see, sun का देख रहे हो, cloud का with droplets, cloud भी एकदम foggy जैसा जो हो रहा है, या फिर आप जो ये लास्ट वाला हमने windy वाला किया है. So these kind of a weather report, ये जो आप छोटे छोटे icons देख रहे हो ना, these icons you will get it in मोबाइल ऑल्सो. आप जब न्यूज़पेपर में आप वेदर रिपोर्ट देखोगे यू विल फाइंड इट आउट कि वहाँ पे भी आपको कॉर्नर पे वैसा बना करके दिया हुआ है दैट दिस काइंड ऑफ ए वेदर वी हैव. तो ये आपको वेदर रिपोर्ट हमने अभी किया. लेट्स रिवाइज इट वंस अगेन एंड देन आई स्टार्ट द न्यू पेज. नाउ आइडेंटिफाई द वेदर आइकन्स टू हेल्प नोई टू अंडरस्टैंड द वीकली वेदर रिपोर्ट. वीकली वेदर रिपोर्ट अंडरस्टैंड करने के लिए वी रिक्वायर टू सी दिस वेदर रिपोर्ट विद ऑल दीज आइकन. अब आपको ये याद रखना है, मंडे को दिस सन इज शाइनिंग ब्राइटली. देखो ये ऐसा वाला अगर ब्राइटली सन शाइन करता हुआ दिख रहा है सो इट इज व्हाट काइंड? सनी टुडे. इट इज सनी टुडे कि धूप है आज. फाइन. स्पेशली दिस काइंड ऑफ ए वेदर वी विल बी गेटिंग इन समर. बट ऐसा नहीं है कि सिर्फ समर में ही मिलता है. समटाइम्स इन रेनी सीजन ऑल्सो. अभी तो सन है, सनी वेदर है, थोड़ी देर बाद देखा देन वी हैव स्टार्टेड रेनिंग ऑल्सो. तो ऐसे करके दिस वेदर इज कीप ऑन चेंजिंग ऑल्सो. क्लाइमेटिक कंडीशन ऑफ अ पर्टिकुलर प्लेस विल बी देयर फॉर सम टाइम. अब ट्यूजडे को व्हाट काइंड ऑफ ए वेदर वी हैव? इफ यू आर गोइंग आउट you should carry an umbrella or wear a raincoat. So it is what kind of a weather? That is your rainy weather. And you can see the picture of cloud and that rain is coming out. So that you are going to remember. Now number 3, that ask your father to drive carefully. As you can see this kind of a weather in which you might not be able to see clearly the vehicles because of the foggy weather. Now number 4 is it is dash today. What kind of this Thursday? Wednesday को तो हो गया foggy weather हो गया. Now it is dash today means it is quite cold today, that it is a good idea to wear a sweater and a pair of warm socks before going outside. So that is, it is cold today, that's why we were wearing a sweater and a pair of socks. कोई ऐसा है जो गर्मी में पहन करके जाता हो, गर्मी में पहन के घूमता हो? कोई ऐसा नहीं है. तो भाई अभी क्या है, ठंड है, so we should wear that warm socks and sweater. So now we'll come to number 5. Hold your cap tight or it may fly away in this weather. तो ये फ्राइडे का है वेदर, दैट इज विंडी वेदर. फाइन, कि आपको अपनी कैप टाइटली पकड़ के रखनी है और इट में फ्लाई इन दिस विंडी वेदर. सो दिस ऑल दिस वेदर रिपोर्ट यू आर गोइंग टू लर्न इट एंड रिमेंबर इट अगेन. दिस page that is related to weather report is very important. Now we are going to start with the next page, that is that being eco-friendly, that we have already revised in the previous class, being eco-friendly, and today I am taking a revision of that, being eco-friendly. Now what do you mean by being eco-friendly? Being eco-friendly means that the activities which help you to improve the environment or which is good for environment. Being eco-friendly means that only, कि ऐसी एक्टिविटीज़ जो जिससे क्या होता है कि हमारी जो भी एरिया है दैट विल बिकम इको फ्रेंडली. कहीं पे भी इधर उधर कूड़ा नहीं फेंकना चाहिए या वॉट एवर दीज सर्टेन थिंग्स. तो वॉट आर द डिफरेंट एक्टिविटीज़, माइट बी अननोइंगली, कभी कभी क्या होता है अननोइंगली हम कुछ ऐसी एक्टिविटीज़ करते हैं जिससे क्या होता है दैट एक्टिविटी विल सर्व लाइक नॉन इको फ्रेंडली. फाइन. तो वन ऑफ द एक्टिविटी दैट इज़ क्वाइट कॉमन अमंग ऑल, वो आप भी शायद कोई आप में से भी करता होगा, that while brushing your teeth you keep the tap running. आप पानी ऐसे चलता छोड़ देते हो. and here one more thing, that being eco friendly में आप क्या करेंगे, whatever eco friendly activity is there you are going to color with green, and which is not, or the people those who are not eco friendly they will color it with red. अभी ये बच्चे हैं, few of the pictures you can see on the screen, that these different pictures you can see. Now the first is, I let the tap water run while I brush my teeth. So who is he? This boy is let the tap water run. So here what we are doing, while brush my teeth, while I brush my teeth. So when we brush our teeth, then we don't require the water. At that time you can switch off the water, or you can let it off the tap also. तो टैप को जब पानी की रिक्वायरमेंट नहीं, वंस यू विल ब्रश योर टीथ, एक बार ब्रश हो गया, देन फॉर क्लीनिंग योर माउथ यू कैन स्विच ऑन योर टैप. बट जब हम ब्रश कर रहे हैं देन वी डोंट रिक्वायर द वाटर, तब पानी चल रहा है. सो दैट इज अ अटर वेस्टेज, दैट इज अ कंप्लीट वेस्टेज. So I let the tap water run. So those who were doing this activity, वो अब आज के बाद से नहीं करेंगे. If you are running the tap and then you are brushing the teeth, so you will stop this activity. This is not an eco-friendly activity because water is getting wasted in this activity. Now we'll come to number 2. I know that some soaps and cosmetics are tested on animals and they hurt them, so I do not use them. Although that if I'll find it out कि अगर हमने कोई soap या cosmetic बनाया है and we apply that soap and cosmetic are tested on animals, so they will hurt them. So what you are supposed to do, you can instead of animal we can do testing on human being. So what result we are getting, might be some elderly people will be there, so we can do that. Fine. Not using those things is not a good thing. Now we'll now come to number 3. I use only paper and jute bags. They can be recycled so they do not pollute the earth. Now paper as well as these jute bags both are forming from a natural fiber, from a natural thing, so they do not pollute the earth. So that is very important. Number 3, that I use only paper and jute bags. They can be recycled, so they do not pollute the earth. So now next children, next number 4, I reuse old wrapping paper to wrap present. So again this is such a good thing that old wrapping paper you can utilize to wrap the other present also. Now we'll come to number 5. Let's throw the trash in the water. No one will notice. Yes, inside the water no one will notice, but whenever we will be able to find it out all these things from the ocean, then we'll notice. Now I donate my old clothes and toys so that they can be recycled and reused. So reuse means the children, those who are not having that. अब बहुत सारे ऐसे बच्चे हैं, नॉट ओनली यू, अपार्ट फ्रॉम यू वी हैव मैनी चिल्ड्रन, और आपको पता हो कि आपकी सोसाइटी में भी बहुत सारे लोग हैं दोज हु आर नॉट गेटिंग दैट मैनी टॉयज. So they want to do it, they will, any child who want to donate old clothes and toys, then they can recycle and reuse. So that girl is taking and then that girl is using it. Now we'll come to number 7. I like plucking the leaves and flowers from trees all the time. Now trees will grow new leaves and flowers. Now let's make a list of all the things we bought last month. Okay, that we are going to make it next. Next activity is I like plucking the leaves and flowers from trees all the time. Now trees will grow new leaves and flowers. So children, this is not possible. Every day that plant is not going to grow up that tree. Fine. So we'll come to next. I take a long shower every morning. Again, that is not an eco-friendly activity. If you are taking long shower, it means that much time is getting disturbed. तो ये हो गया that I like plucking the leaves and flowers from trees all the time. So again that is not a good activity. Then let's make I take a long shower every morning. So again this is also not an eco-friendly activity. So you will darken the circle with green color. Now what Noi is showing, that let's make a list of the things we bought last month. Now how many of these will we use for a year and how many will we throw away? So for reduce, for reuse and recycle. So how do you reduce? Reduce means let's make a list of all the things we bought last month. Now how many of these will we use for a year and how many will we throw away? So these are the few things, that is your activity that is related to your class 1 only. Now children, what we are going to do next, this eco-friendly. Okay, now here I am going to take the introduction of eco-friendly. What do you mean by eco-friendly? Eco-friendly means that is environment friendly. It means whenever we are taking anything like that, so that will not be destroyed or that will not be lying here and there. So that is very important. Fine. अगर हम कोई भी चीज़ तोड़ते हैं या हटाते हैं and then we will be getting that, we will left with the space. So what we are going to do, वो space रह गया तो वो space को हम waste नहीं करते, that space we are going to use it. So that is same as of being eco-friendly. Eco-friendly रहने के लिए भी आपको यही करना है. For that eco-friendly मतलब means environment friendly, कि वॉट एवर योर एक्टिविटी इज देयर वो एनवायरमेंट के लिए कैसे फ्रेंडली है. सो दैट यू विल रिमेंबर. होपफुली you all will revise this chapter, that is your being eco-friendly, and I hope you all have were knowing it. See, jute bags, cotton bags, carry bags, and so many recent type of bags. So you must carry your own bags while going for shopping. Few of the things when you are standing on signal, fine, red signal, blue, green signal, yellow signal, fine. If you are standing on a signal, you will switch off the that switch off that particular means engine can be switched it off. Engine can be switched it off to not to release these harmful gases in the environment. So this seventh one, this one is done. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So in this video we have revised with all the 8 part of being eco-friendly, then how to live, and then where does you live, and then what are the different things in your job, wherever you were doing that job. So this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, all these eco-friendly activities are very important. Then 7 and 8. Now last month, a list of all the things we bought last month. Now how many of these will we use for a year, and how many will we throw away? See what that Noe is asking कि हम लोग कहीं पे भी शॉपिंग के लिए जाते हैं. सो वॉट वी आर गेटिंग ओवर देयर, हमें एक कैरी बैग मिलता है, तो वो कैरी बैग हम घर ले आते हैं. नेक्स्ट टाइम अगेन वेन एवर वी रिक्वायर्ड अ कैरी बैग, वो कैरी बैग को हम यूज़ कर लेते हैं. सो दैट इज 3 important R's of, that is reduce, reuse and recycle. Reduce means we are going to use it very less. Reuse means we will repeat it. Then recycle. Recycle means that will be recycled. Means दोबारा से we can make it. So that is again an important thing, that is reduce, reuse and recycle. Although nowadays we will be having 5 R's. Fine. So here we are going to see these 3 only: reduce, reuse, recycle. Reduce, reuse. Reduce मतलब whenever you will find it out somebody who is using plastic. आप कहीं जा रहे हो, आपने किसी को देखा वो प्लास्टिक यूज़ कर रहा है. You are going to that person and then you are going to say that no need to use it. Then reuse means that will be kept, that list. You will reduce the use of all these. And then reuse means if you will be getting that carry bag, आप उसको वापस स्कूल ले आए. So again that is a kind of a reuse only. Recycle means what? Recycle मतलब क्या हो गया कि recycle means आप उस चीज़ को वापस से नए सिरे से बना के and then you will use it. So this reduce, reuse, recycle, these 3 R's are very important. Children learn these 3 R's of all these important chapters. So you just learn that 3 R's of this chapter: reduce, reuse and recycle. Reduce, reuse and recycle. Okay, and then what next? That we are going to being eco-friendly, this chapter we have finished. Now tomorrow we are going to start with a new chapter, or in the next session, because this video will be for Saturday. So next session में हम क्या करेंगे? Next session में we are going to make a new room. We are supposed to take it, and then we will be there in this. So let's finish the class for today, and we will meet tomorrow in the next class. So that's all for today, children. Have a good day. Be safe, stay healthy, revise this being eco-friendly, and the second chapter, that is again is very important, that is being eco-friendly and weather report. So good day, children.